The non-governmental organization sector in Lebanon is one of the most vibrant sectors in the region, with Lebanon hosting the largest number of non-governmental organizations in the Middle East relative to its population size. While there is no agreement on the accurate number of NGOs in Lebanon, the majority of sources confirm that this number exceeds 10,000. These NGOs collectively play a key role in different fields including, among others, health, education, environment, youth and women empowerment, human rights, and peace building. Yet, unfortunately, studies indicate that networking among NGOs in Lebanon remains relatively weak and the inter-organizational communication is considered suboptimal. NGOs in Lebanon vary in their size, scope of operation, and structure. However, irrespective of that variability, all NGOs should ideally have a minimum level of organizational and operational standards. This would help the whole sector further gain credibility and recognition from beneficiaries, governments, donors, and the international community. In response to the urgent need to empower the NGO sector in Lebanon, the American University of Beirut, through a partnership between its Global Health Institute and its Office of Regional External Programs, has launched the Non-Governmental Organizations Initiative, NGOi. The NGOi offers 4 services: organizational certification, training and capacity building, knowledge resource center, and a convening platform. The organizational certification is offered by the NGOi to the NGOs whose governance and administrative structures, as well as operational principles, meet the requirements of a set of evidence-based criteria. This would in turn grant the certified NGO organizational credibility with donors and funding agencies, as well as recognition of attainment of a minimum standard of organizational and operational excellence, while ensuring a community-centric approach in organizational structure and operations. To support NGO staff and leadership in pursuing continuous knowledge and skills development, the NGOi offers training and capacity building opportunities through a variety of courses, certificates, and diplomas delivered using different learning approaches, including face-to-face, online, and blended learning. The Knowledge Resource Center of the NGOi keeps NGO staff and leadership up to date by presenting relevant and reliable materials such as guides, reports, and portals accessible for browsing through user-friendly filtering engines. The NGOi aims to enhance the intercommunication between the NGOs and thus offers a convening platform where NGOs can meet, share knowledge, and discuss relevant matters through seminars, talks, as well as conferences and forums. More importantly, NGOs and individuals can choose to become members of the NGOi to benefit from discounts and priority registration on all capacity building offerings, access to the members-only section of the Knowledge Resource Center, and facilitated hosting of co-organized events at AUB premises, among a host of other benefits. As such, the NGOi will serve as the regional hub for the NGO sector certification, development, and knowledge exchange. Interested to stay tuned with NGOi updates? Join our mailing list now and visit our webpage at www.aub.edu.lb/NGOi.